Hello everyone, today a video teach you how to install the CRP collaborative robot. After unpacking, we can see all the accessories of the collaborative robot. First, there is a robot body, a robot demonstrator, a control cabinet. Here is the power cord of the robot. Here is the welding gun of the collaborative robot. Next, I will show tools needed to install the collaborative robot. First is a set of hexagon socket wrenches, a Phillips screwdriver, a pair of long-nosed pliers, a socket wrench. Next, install the robot on the base. The collaborative robot has two mounting positions. This is the middle mounting position, and there is also an installation position on the right. You can choose according to your actual needs. Next, we install the robot body. There are 4 screws on the robot base. The tool used here is an Allen wrench. Use the hexagon wrench to tighten the screws. In this way, the robot body is installed. Next, we start the wiring operation of the controller. Connect the communication line between the welder and the control cabinet. To connect the communication line, open the controller cover. Here we need to insert the communication cable through the dedicated port on the side of the controller. After threading the communication cable in, we can see that each interface here has a corresponding name, which corresponds to the names on the communication line. We just need to insert the corresponding into the corresponding interface. After connecting the communication cable, we can close the control cabinet cover. Then tighten the screws. Now, we start the external wiring operation of the controller. First, the robot splice. The other end is connected to the robot body. There are 2 plugs in total. Find the pin of the interface. Align the pin with the interface and insert the wire. Then rotate and tighten. Just hear a click. The connection method of the right interface is the same. Align the red dot on the plug. Align the arrow on the plug with the arrow on the socket. The left jack is for connecting the power cord. Align the 3-hole power cord with the socket. Next is the wiring operation of the viewfinder. You can see that on the perspective view plug, there is a red dot and an opening. Align the red dot on the plug. Align it with the red dot on the control cabinet. Insert a heart. Just hear a click. Now all the wiring work of the control cabinet is done. Then we start to connect the control wires of the welder and the control line of the wire feeder. This wire is used to connect the welding machine and feeder. There are 2 interfaces, one big and one small. The small one is for connecting the control cabinet. and the large one is for the wire feeder. The interface of the control cabinet is 3-core. First, we connect the wire of the wire feeder. Align the groove at the interface. Then insert it. Tighten it with force and lock it. Then connect the controller's connection cable. Also use the same method. Align the slot, then insert and tighten it. These are the positive and negative wires of the welder. The negative pole needs to be connected to the bow. Now we connect the positive pole to the wire feeder. Take out the screw and insert the bow and tighten it. Here we need to use a socket wrench to operate. Next, we start assembling the robot welding gun. Fix the welding gun on the robot's lead gun. Use an Allen wrench to remove the screws, fixing the robot welder. A special welding gun for collaborative robots. It has a special slot. Align the slot of the torch. Align it with the slot of the robot's joystick. Tighten the screw after clamping. Next, we start assembling the robot arm. The clamp for fixing the cable. Fix the robot clamp ring on the robot arm. Tighten the screw with a screwdriver. Next, install the cable clamp onto the clamp on the robot arm. Remove the screws from the clamp ring. Straighten the cable of the welding gun. After adjusting to the appropriate length, on the newly installed robot cable clamp. Then tighten the screw with a hexagon wrench. Then connect the other end of the welding to the special welding torch interface of Song driver. Align the mark on the welding gun socket with Song driver, the marking point on the interface. Align and insert. After insertion, rotate it 180 degrees, and use the hexagon wrench to lock the welding gun's wiring. Then connect the air pack to the valve. Then use a socket wrench to tighten the valve interface. In this way, our collaborative robot is installed. Let's start our efficient and convenient welding journey.